Here my channel. This is my boss Saad Aftab Abasi. So you can talk here.
Okay. You
Sir, I come.
okay? Then in emergency case, okay, go. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. And today we about learn about communication skills. You know about communication skills. There is a way of talking about and many things are introduced in this communication skill. And the way to deal with other person, there is matter improvement in your communication skill. Other will impress from your other people impress from your communication skills, and this is I think I explain it very well. You hope you all understand. A personal quality of a teacher. Teacher is a type of God. Teacher is some you say that teacher is your trainer, which train you are from little to better. The teacher is a path of success. You know that we respect our teachers, and our teachers are best. What is the quality of a teacher? We discuss about the qualities of a teacher. What personal distribution in the qualities are a teacher or two people who is similar list but the following would be a communication. First the teacher personally should be a personal attached. We come across so many teachers who are depressed and students have no other choice but to pay. Secondly, it is essential for teacher to have a generous. Brother, my phone is calling me. Excuse me.
So they are asking seriously, can you take a tea?
No.
3 minutes, 1 minute left.
1 minute?
Wow.
Yo, 2 videos are done?
Yeah, 3 left.
No. 2 are.
Please.
I will send you from my car.
You don't want I get Amir. You don't want I get Amir.
You are Amir.
You don't want 30,000 of yours. Which can you take from your cousin? You say I can invest. So do you know what is RDB? So insurance plans are very important for us. Insurance can be used for you can just sit. I can ask. I can bowling. Okay, give it book to me. You can just use your mobile.